Hi everyone, it's Alona, Craft Photo Holiday Shop, my website journalhandmade.com. Today I'm flipping through with you my beginner spell book. You can see table of the contents at the beginning of the book. This book contains text, it's not a blank book. The cover of this book is vegan leather, some metallic elements. My book always contains 2 bookmarks. I'm flipping through on the video aged paper. On my website you can buy the book with white or aged paper. And of course about the contents information. You can find in this book information about herbs, gemstones and crystals, information about Wicca symbols and God, candle magic, information about the altar, the wheel of the year and 8 Sabbats, and a lot of information about spells. This book you can find on my website journalhandmade.com. The cover of the book can be different. You can find the another cover on my website. I accept custom orders on the books. So tell me, do you like this book? Would you like to watch the review on another my books? Many thanks for watching. Goodbye, see you later.